Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video, we are going to be answering another viewer question that has come in on a recent video of mine where I forged a tent stake into what I call a rock bar or a digging bar. So the question was, isn't this considered a Burke bar? So it's a great question and it can be easily confused. So a Burke bar is a large bar. Usually it could have a shorter handle, but it usually has like a large flat spatula type end, and sometimes it even has a notch in the center of it, like so you can like pull stakes, and they are used predominantly in concrete, so for like forms and things of that nature. A great channel if you want to take and see not only a Burke bar being made, but a guy who really champions them is the guy by the name of the Essential Craftsman here on YouTube. I will put a link to his channel right in the description down below, and a video where he talks and discusses about the advantages of having a Burke bar so you can get a clear understanding of what those are. So what's the big difference between a Burke bar and a rock bar? A rock bar is usually meant for prying, getting into places and just leveraging. It's usually done in like digging operations where you've dug a hole and you might have a rock that's in the side of the hole and you're just using this to get in there and pry, and sometimes you can use it to bust the rock as well, that henceforth the weight. Good example of a long rock bar is like this here. They usually have some sort of chisel into them like this one here for busting again, and it's got that additional weight. And then the other end that it has, similar to what the tent stake had there, is a pointed end. All again in an effort to be able to use the weight of it and mass of it to drive in on a small rock or something that's in a hole that you can then try to bust up or chip off of a piece. And then it's usually used in digging operations. Again, to my understanding of a Burke bar is to help you remove forms and pry and leverage things that are related to concrete work. Side note, to answer this question as well, will I be making a Burke bar in the future? And yes, I will. I've got some forms I've got to make up to take and make a new pad and stuff for my power hammer. And I'm also going to be making a little concrete pad. I'll bring you guys along for this journey for Olga here just behind me down below. I'm going to make a concrete pad that I can level and get good and set, just big enough for Olga to sit on, so that way she's not sinking down in the dirt. Right now, she's heading to China, guys, or whatever's on the direct opposite side of the world from me. Anyways, yeah, that's going to happen when you got nearly 1,000 pounds sitting on 3 legs. So that's going to happen. Anyways, we're going to be doing a little bit of concrete pad work. Also, when I install the grate hearth and I will do brickwork and things of that nature, usually you have to pour a footer and a fairly large pad in concrete for that to sit on alone, because you're putting a lot of weight on the earth there. That is all going to have some form work done, and a Burke bar would come in real handy. And I say, hey, you know what? I've got an extra rod here, like a rock bar. Why don't I just take and show you guys how you can forge your own Burke bar? Until then, if you want to watch another man forge it, again, Essential Craftsman is a great way of doing that. I'll link up him in the description down below. So please be sure to check out his channel. And if you do, let him know Roy sent you his way. Who knows, maybe we'll collaborate on something in the future. You never know. He's out west and I'm here in the east, so yeah, wonders of the internet, right? Anyways, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section down below. Also, drop additional comments down there, questions that you may be having. They don't necessarily have to be just around this topic here. They could be anything in blacksmithing. I'm polling a few comments as we go here out of the comment section to answer those directly in video format in this little series of blacksmith question of the day. So that's it for today. God bless you all. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will catch you on the next one.